others. So when I came in today and I knew I had a gentle horse, I had to really adapt and like really open myself up to her and be gentle with her because that's how she needed me to be at the time. It wasn't about me, it was about her. So yeah.
That sounds like you've learned a lot. And how's that going to help you when you face challenges at work? How are you going to approach them differently?
I think I'm not going to be selfish in a way where like this is my way. I really need to connect with who I'm talking to and who I'm meeting and how they need to be helped or how they need to be guided. Yeah, I think there's getting out of my own head as well is such a big thing. Really not overthinking it and like being strong. Like you're always telling me that I hide a lot. So yeah, coming into this and putting all of myself into it was just what I really needed to get ahead. Yeah.
What would you say to someone thinking of doing this program?
Bloody go for it. This is like the most life-changing thing I've ever done in my life. And if you're gonna do it, then you need to put yourself into it, all of yourself. Not be scared of being vulnerable with people. This is such a safe place and a safe environment to learn that it's okay to make mistakes, even though it's really blunt. That's what you need. But there's a lot of support with that bluntness. So yeah, it's very eye-opening.